Hey chickies. Okay, so today we are doing something a bit abstract and a bit different. You will notice that my nail shape is different. My nail what do you call it, length is different too, and the reason for that is that I've done these nail arts out of wax, so don't be too concerned. They're all still my nails. It's just that my gosh, my hands are going through the ringer. Not that I didn't wash my hands before, but we have to wash our hands a lot more these days. Just a quick tip: don't forget to oil your hands after you wash them. I've taken to taking nail oil, like just jojoba oil, to work so that I can oil my fingers, and sometimes I forget because I get so busy at work. So anyway, that's just a quick tip from me. But yeah, my nails have been peeling and also breaking, so that's kind of annoying. Anyway, let's get into it. I really hope you like this one. I loved how it turned out. Now, I've started off with a white base on my nails, on two of my nails actually, and of course I'm using OPI's Alpine Snow. And for those of you who do enjoy a nail cleanup porn, here it is. For those of you who don't enjoy it, skip ahead now. Now, this nail art could not be easier, and you can use whatever shades you like. I just happen to be using like a yellow, a green, and sort of a corally pink color. Now, as I said, you could use any color combinations you like, but I think the ones that work out, or ones that look the best and the most striking, are ones you wouldn't ordinarily put together, or wouldn't ordinarily think that they look good together, but I just love them. Now, this is so easy. All you need is a fine detail brush, something you can buy from any craft store or on eBay or literally anywhere. And you're just going to start off by layering the colors. You're going to start off with one color, and you're going to do little shooting strokes from the corner of one of your nails. It doesn't matter if they end up being really long, or because you can go over all of this. Doesn't matter. So don't be too precious about it, and I think you'll be fantastically surprised at how beautiful it can turn out. I would love to do this with a lot of different color combinations because I think it looks amazing. So now we've got our first color down, we're going to come in with our second color, and we're going to do basically exactly the same thing. Don't be too concerned if you end up hiding a bit of the first color. That's kind of not the point, but you want the previous color to still be seen. Can you hear Buddy? He's being very loud. He's still just as obnoxious as he was before, and still hates me. I love that cat so much. Can you hear him? He's being so rude. Anyway, just ignore him. So come in with your second color and sort of go in between where your previous color was. You still want to see the first. Be quiet, Buddy. You're being rude. Goodness gracious. It's so rude. He does it on purpose because he doesn't like me very much. He's just sitting there looking at me like, what do you want? So rude. Anyway, I was going to ignore him. So yeah, you can see what I'm doing. It's super easy, super simple, and the end result is always really, really pretty. And now we're coming with the final color, and I'm using this beautiful it's fuchsia, like a fuchsia pink. I couldn't think of what the name was called. Anyway, it's like a really beautiful fuchsia pink, and then we're coming in and we're going straight over the top of those other two previous colours. And I think this pink really makes it. You could probably get away with it. It'd be a much more subtle look if you just use the two colours, but I can really envisage this being done with lots of different colour combinations. It's just so pretty. You can even do a rainbow one. I reckon a rainbow one would look really pretty. You're going to keep adding strokes of colour until you like what you see. That's basically the only rule. Just keep doing it until you like what you see. Once you finish with that, you might have a little bit of cleanup, and I've just got the teeniest, tiniest amount. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and seal it in with your favourite top coat. Of course, I'm using Seche Vite as per usual. That's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I love how it turned out. I can't wait to do it in lots of different other shades. Anyway, I don't know if that's anyway, don't worry about me. Alright, I'm going now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.